Hi, I'm Ron Zimmet of the Daytona Beach auto accident law firm Zimmet and Quarles. The topic for today's video is 2 things insurance companies do to pay you little or nothing for a car accident. This is actually lessons from my car accident and from our experience with insurance companies over many years. I had a very serious car accident in January of 2010. A drunk driver who was on the wrong side of the road hit me head-on at 68 miles an hour. It was nothing short of miraculous that I lived through it. The insurance companies involved did the same thing to me that they've done to our clients over the years to try to pay me little or nothing. Because I'm a trial lawyer, I knew what to do, and I want to alert you to the problems so you don't get taken advantage of. Here are 2 of the insurance company strategies. First, make it very difficult to make a claim, and second, offer you a very small amount of settlement before you know the full extent of your injuries. As to making it difficult to make a claim, many of you may have had the experience of trying to take advantage of some company's rebate offer when you buy a consumer product. For instance, you might buy a box of blank DVDs thinking that if you mail in the rebate offer, the company will send you a check. The problem is that the company makes it so difficult to follow their exact rules, they often either ignore your request for a rebate or send you a letter saying you didn't follow the rules and therefore you're not entitled to the rebate. Insurance companies do the same kind of thing. They send you forms to complete, requests for medical records, forms for your doctor to complete, and deadlines to meet. In order to get reimbursed for your medical expenses, you have to comply with their rules and do it on time. The problem, of course, is that you may be seriously injured and in no position to comply with all the rules, much less do it timely. You may not know how to read the forms and get it right just the way the insurance company wants it. Because we know it's difficult for people who have dealt with insurance companies to actually get something accomplished, that's part of the service we provide our clients who have been in accidents. We deal with the insurance company directly, so you don't have to. Insurance companies also try to settle the case for a very small amount of money before you may know the extent of your injuries. My accident is a pretty good example. I went to the emergency room immediately after the accident in the ambulance. I had pain in my upper right chest area. The emergency room doctor ordered a chest x-ray. He didn't do anything else. He didn't do a physical exam. He didn't touch me. He only asked me where the pain was. I saw him 2 times while in the emergency room, and it could not have been for a total of more than 30 to 45 seconds. The written emergency room discharge instructions told me to follow up with my primary care physician. Every time anybody leaves an emergency room, they're likely to get the exact same instructions. Follow up with your regular doctor. The point is that emergency rooms are set up to make sure that your physical condition is not an emergency and that you're stable. Emergency room physicians simply do not provide the kind of comprehensive care that you get from your regular doctor. The problem, of course, is that many people have to rely on emergency room doctors as their primary medical provider. This is a real problem for people who've had car accidents because injuries may go undetected. In fact, after my doctor did a thorough physical exam, he determined that I had a dislocated rib which was going to take a while to heal, and I might have liver damage and should go get an MRI. Fortunately, the MRI was negative for me, but we didn't know that until the results came back. The insurance company representative, however, came to my home and offered me a very small amount of money to settle the case even before I went to see my doctor. I knew that the emergency room doctor had not done a comprehensive exam and that my regular doctor would. I did not know what my doctor's exam would show. All I really knew at the time was I had a lot of pain. Because we know that insurance companies use this tactic, we advise our clients not to sign any papers or talk to the other driver's insurance company. We handle all dealings with the insurance company for our clients and offer advice on when and whether it's appropriate to settle. We think that it's in our clients' best interest to simply heal their injuries rather than have to deal with the insurance company. For a lot more information on car accidents and how to deal with insurance companies, see our website, zqlawyers.com, or feel free to call us at 386-255-4020. For now, I'm Ron Zimmet. Thanks for listening.